Well, after all, it might just be a bad socket. So currently it's booting nicely. There it is again. Now check this out. I guess that also explains why kicking it made it boot. So it might after all just be a mechanical problem, and that the socket has been supporting too many CPU swaps by now. It's just worn out and the contacts are, well, they are still somewhat there, otherwise it wouldn't work. Or maybe some critical pins that are only required for boot don't make good enough contact, right? Yeah, definitely weird.